Can your brain follow an if-then rule? This program puts that to the test. This is Conditional Statements, a cognition program designed by speech-language pathologists for aphasia, TBI, and Alzheimer's recovery. The program gives you a rule, like, if the man is in box 4, click banana, otherwise click birthday cake. You have to read carefully, hold the condition in mind, and make the right choice. That's cognitive reasoning, practiced step by step. Each trial builds attention, logical thinking, and mental flexibility, skills that matter in everyday life. Parrot Software, clinician-designed since 1981, trusted by Mayo Clinic, veterans hospitals, and rehab centers nationwide. Start your free 7-day trial, no credit card required, at parrotsoftware.com.